Guys, in this video, you will learn to set up an automation which is going to integrate frame.io application with Airtable. So guys, in this automation, whenever you are going to upload any video in frame.io, which is a video collaboration and reviewing tool, the record that you have in Airtable of the same videos are going to be updated automatically. Okay. So guys, whenever you are uploading any unedited video or a project of the video on frame.io and you have a record of the same videos in Airtable, it is going to be synchronized with each other, and as you finalize the video, the record will be updated in Airtable automatically. So this is going to save a lot of your time. It will help you improve in your content creation as well. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding, super simply. So let's start. So we are setting up this automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. And I have pasted the same link in the description as well. And from here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on the sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So guys, you can just sign up right now from the given link, and then you can follow me till the end of this video and you can create your first automation workflow with me right now. Okay, so after signing up, you need to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And from here, guys, you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a name to your workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as frame.io to Airtable. Okay, after giving the name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. Okay, so our automations are based on these two things. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. So in our use case, guys, uploading a video on frame.io application will act as a trigger for this workflow, and the action would be to update the record of the same video in Airtable's base. Okay, so first of all, just click here and choose frame.io application as the trigger application. Okay, like this, and then select the trigger event as new asset. Okay, so whenever you upload any video project in frame.io, it is called as an asset. So select new asset option, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to make a connection with frame.io application, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection that we are making. Okay, so to make this connection, you need to follow these steps written here. Okay, so let me show you exactly how you can do this. So first of all, I'm going to my frame.io applications dashboard, and here, guys, you can see you have this account's name written here. Click on it, and from here click on apps and integrations option. All right, and under apps and integrations page, and from the same left hand side panel, you need to scroll down, and under developer section, you have to actually reach the developer section. So you can click on any of these options written here. Let me just click on actions. All right, and here on this developer platform, you will find this developer tools option on the top right corner. Click on it, and from here click on webhooks. Okay, and under webhooks, you have to click on this create a webhook button, and here you can give any name to this webhook. I am giving the name as test new. Here in this URL field, you have to paste this webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So just copy this and paste it here in this field like this. All right, and you can select the team that you have, that you're working on frame.io. Then you have to select the event on which you want to trigger the workflow or send the data from frame.io to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I want that whenever I create or upload a new asset or a new video, the workflow should trigger. So under the asset section, we have this created option available here. So you have to check this box in front of created option, and then you have to scroll down and click on submit button. Okay, and here's how a new webhook connection is created, and you can see the webhook connection is created, right? And here it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now you have to manually upload a video, any sample video in frame.io, and the data of that video and the asset will be captured here in this response section. Okay. And the same video's data should be present in your Airtable's base as well. So you can see, guys, I have a video name already placed here. So this is the name of a video project I am working on. Okay, this is the name, and slide by Akib. This is the name of the video that I'm working on. And this is the same video that I'm going to upload here with this same name. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard. So guys, I am inside the dashboard again, and this is the project's name, Postman project. And here we have another demo project as well. So let us upload a video on this demo project. Okay. So here I'm clicking on new button, and here I'm clicking on file upload. And here let me search for a video with the same name as I have in Airtable, and slide by Akib. Okay. So I'm uploading the same video here. It might take a few seconds to upload. All right, so you can see it has started generating the thumbnail and the video is getting uploaded. And as it is going to upload, you can see it is uploaded. Our workflow should capture the details of this video or asset. So let's check in our workflow. And here you can see, guys, the data got captured here like this. So in this response receipt section, it started using the user ID. That type is asset.created. This is the team's ID. This is the type of thing that you have uploaded. It's an asset, and this is the ID of the asset. Okay, so it starts showing you different kind of IDs here, but it is not showing the name of the video or any other technical details about the video. So guys, now to find this video details here, we are going to use this action step, and here we are going to connect with frame.io again, but we are going to choose a different action event now to find the details of this asset that just has been uploaded. Okay, so let me just use this action step and search for frame.io again. All right, and in the action event you have to select this option, get asset by ID. Select this get asset by ID, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection. And here to connect frame.io in the action steps, you need to reach the developer portal again, and here you have to create a token, and then you have to paste this token here, then you can connect. So let me just go back to my application frame.io, and here let me open this app and integration section. Under app and integrations, you will find the left hand side panel. Under this, click on developers, click on tokens under developers section. And here let us generate a token. So I'm clicking on create a token. Here you can give a name to this token like this. Okay, and under scopes, you have to select the scope. That means the thing that you want to send from frame.io to Pabbly Connect. So I want that whenever I want to capture the details of the assets I have. Okay, so under the assets section, you can see we have this read option. So you have to check this read box here so that we can read the details of the assets that we have. Now you can scroll down and then click on submit. And here you can see we got a new token generated. So you can just copy it and paste it here in this field. All right, then click on save and you will be connected with frame.io. And here it has started asking for the assets ID. So guys, here you can see in the previous step, when we have uploaded the details, we have received these IDs. So under resource type, you can see we have this resource ID. So this is the ID that we want. This is actually the assets ID. So I'm going to map this resource ID label here in this step. So to map it, you just have to click here in this field, and the frame.io step, the trigger step, will appear in the drop down only. And when you click on it, you will see all the details here. And from here, select the resource ID like this, and then click on save and send test request button, and you will receive all other details related to this asset ID in this response section. Here you can see, guys, we got this these kind of links here. So this is the download links. Okay, in the qualities you can see. Okay, and here you can see the files type, the thumbnail of the file. All right, it includes video and audio, and you can see the length, the width, and all other details related to the video. And when you scroll down a little more, you will get the name of the video as well. So let me show you. So here you can see, guys, we got this name label here, and it has started showing the name of the video now. Okay, so we got the name. Now what I want to update this database that I have here in Airtable. So I just have the name here right now, and I want to add a note and the editing status of this video in front of this cell. Okay, I want to update these two cells as well. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to search for this value inside my Airtable space, and after that I'm going to update the cells after this value. Okay, for that, just click here on this plus icon, and here we are going to connect with Airtable. So you can see we got a new action step, and here you just have to type Airtable, and in the action event you have to choose this search record option. Okay, click on search record, then click on connect. So we are using this step, we are searching for the record just to ensure that we have this data, we have the name of the video already present in our database. Okay, if we do not have the data, we cannot update it, we cannot update anything. Okay, so if we have the name, we are going to update that cell. For that, just click here on this plus icon, just click on this add new connection option to make a new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Airtable to make this connection, and you will get the key from the account section. So let me open the account section here. This is my Airtable space, this is my profile icon, and here I'm going to click on accounts, and the account page will open up. From here I'm going to scroll down and copy this API key right here and paste this key here in this field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, so all right, we are connected, and here it is asking for the base's name now. So the name of my base is this frame.io data. Okay, so let me just click here, and it will show you the list of all the bases that you have. From here, select the relevant base. All right, and the table's name will be auto-populated because we have only one table here named as table 1, and here it is asking for the field's name that you want to search. So I want to search this field, the video name field. Okay, so it got selected, you have to select it from here. Okay, and what value you want to search? So guys, I want to search the name of the video that we have received from frame.io. Okay, so I'm going to map this name label here in this step. So just click here, and from this second step, search for the name label. Just type NAME in this search bar, and you will get this name label here. Map it like this. All right, then click on save and send test request button, and here you can see it got the record ID. That means we have the record present here, and it started showing the record as well. Okay, now we can update the cells after this record. For that, just click here on this plus icon and connect with Airtable again in this action step. Okay, but this time we are going to use a different action event, and the action event would be update record. Click on update record, then click on connect, and guys, the connections that you make here with applications are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application, or with the same application in a same workflow or in a different workflow, you can use your saved connections. For that, you just have to click here on this select existing connection option, and it will show you the list of the saved connections that you have. From here you can choose any connection. Okay, and after that you just have to click on save, and you will be connected again. No need to fill the data of APIs, details, and all other things again and again. You can use saved connections. It is asking for the base name again, so just select the base name as it is, frame.io. All right, then here you can see it started showing a record field. Okay, so here you can see, guys, in this previous step, when we searched for this record, it has given us the record ID here. Okay, so guys, I'm going to map this record ID here in this record field. For that, you just have to toggle this toggle this map button to on here, then erase this field, and from this last step, map the record ID label like this, okay? And here you can see it started showing the fields of Airtable, the video name, nodes, edited. These are the same fields I have, or the columns I have, you can see. Okay, right. And I just want to update these two fields, not this one. So I'm going to leave this video name field blank. In the notes, I'm going to put video uploaded. All right, in frame.io. And here in this edited field, I'm going to put yes completed, or whatever you want to update, you can put it here. Okay. All right. And guys, the data that you are putting here manually is going to remain static, but this record ID label is going to change every time this workflow executes, and this data will be updated in front of this cell value only. Okay, this means the data we are updating here is going to be added here only, not in any other row. Okay, that's why we mapped this record ID here. Now you can check your connection with Airtable, click on save and send test request button, and the data will be updated in front of you. You can see this is the response we have received here. Let's check in our Airtable base if we got the data. So here, let me just refresh the base I have. And here you can see, guys, we got the data updated. In the notes, you can read video uploaded in frame.io. In this edited field, you can see it started showing yes completed. This is the same data I have placed here. You can see, right? So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to upload any video in frame.io, the same video details, if you have an Airtable, will be updated automatically like this, okay? And the workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description. You can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.